One topic is given in the same paragraph about the biotechnology. Biotechnology means a technology which are implemented over the biotic factors. Suppose we want to change the genetic features of any crops. If the height of crop is more longer, we want to short the height of crop. B side, we want to increase the size of grains. Then we use this technique, biotechnology, through which we can modify different nature of the crops like nutritional value, color of the crops, spatial fragments, and we can say also the size of the grain, size and shape of the plants, and production capacity. These all can be increased by by following this techniques, biotechnology. But one another fact is that genetically modified crops are used in limited amount because seeds of genetically modified are costly in the market. It is not possible for all farmers to purchase from the market and use for production of these crops. But scientists also say about these techniques. If we use genetically modified seeds in our agriculture area, it can be minimize the use of insecticide and pesticide. There is no need to use these things. It means we can save our environment by this way. In developing country like India and Brazil, mostly we use the natural manure which we receive from the waste of our pets, either dead and decaying parts of the plants and animals. But beside, in the developed nation, farmers use highly artificial fertilizers, pesticide, insecticide. So in our country, in India, utilization of these things are very less as compared to the developed country. In developing country like in India, in Brazil, most of the population percentage involved in agricultural activities and either their allied activities. Allied means उससे संबंधित उसकी सहायक कुछ और भी कार्य. But beside, in developed country, most of the population percentage involved in the secondary sector. Secondary sector means we can say in industries, etc. As conclusion, we can say about this topic, agricultural development, is that those countries which are the developing country and where crisis of food, either any other job opportunities, then more and more populations involved in the agricultural activities. Beside, number of population also increasing day by day. So, development of agriculture is very essential for the developing country as well as for the developed country also. Because if developed country increase their productions, then they can sell into the international market, through which other country can survive on the basis of their production. Beside, developing country, here is essential, here is very necessary. Production will increase because population going to increase year by year. How can we, here is a question, how can we increase production? We can increase production by using the modern tools and techniques which are available in the market. If we are going to implement these tools, techniques which are available in the market, no doubt we can increase the productions. So by this way we can say this topic is given regarding the agricultural development which take place in the different part of the world, like different type of tools like harvester, plowers are developed which sophisticated in agricultural activities, and by this way farmer also feeling some good conditions, they are feeling some happy conditions while they involve in the agricultural activities, because Now these days no one people want to involve in the agricultural activities, but beside if some scientific tools they received from the market side which help them, which reduce their manpower, and more activity can done by the machine power, then we can say agricultural development take place and our needs are also fulfilled by this type of agricultural development. Now your last topic is comparative study between the US and India in the case of agriculture. By taking different points are used for comparison between the US and India. First term is used for comparative study between the US and India is size of land. The size of land in US is bigger as comparison to the India, and the size of land in India is smaller as comparison to the US. But what happened beside? In US per hectare production is less, but in India per hectare production is more. Why? Why production is less in US and more in India? Because in India more population pressure. That is why India follow the intensive type of agriculture. And beside less population pressure, either we can say no population pressure in the US. That is why US follow the extensive type of agriculture. The main motto of US is production sell into the market, but the main motto of India is production use for local consumption. In the case of capital investment in US and India, huge capital invest in US for purchasing machineries and several tools and techniques which are used for the agriculture, but beside in India less investment take place, and beside investment which invested by the farmers borrowed from the bank, either the money lenders. So it is clear in the case of investment also US higher as comparison to the India. In the case of market for US and India, due to proper storage facilities, US have proper storage facilities. That is why surplus production put into storage, and when the price of these crops will increase in international market, either in national market, thereafter they start to sell in national and international market. But in the case of India, mostly due to lack of proper storage system, productions only consumed by local market enables to sell into international market. This one is also difference in the case of market between the US and in the case of labor. Those labor who are available in USA, they are the completely skilled. They have proper idea, they have proper knowledge how to practice agriculture in the agriculture field. But beside, in the case of labor in India, those labor who are working in India are the unskilled labor. Means they have no ideas. Only they follow the direction of land holders. Means landowners, direction given from the landowner side, and same direction followed by the labor who are working in the agriculture field in India, because they are totally unskilled. It is clear? Second last topic, mechanization, means yantrikaran, machinikaran. In the case of this topic, US having good position, good conditions, because USA follow the extensive agriculture. That is why US have need modern tools and techniques. USA need harvesters, plowers, tractor, etc. But in the case of India, mechanization take place as very limited amount. Those people who are the big landholders, only they have tractors for plowing the lands, either at a village level. Now these days also bullock are used for plowing the land. So we can say there is also differences in the case of mechanization in US. And now last topic is technology. USA use modern technology, no doubt, because there is a high amount of investment, but in the case of India, more less technology used in India, means we can say marginal technology, means एक limited area तक ही जो है modern technology को use किया जाता है. तो by this way we can conclude this complete chapter agricultures, and I hope you have better understanding about all the topic which are taught by me, because all the topics separately taught to you with the help of different videos. And thereafter, if you have any problems in any paragraph, then during the next classes you firstly search your problems, then during the next class you might be asked to me, I solve your every problems, and also I try during the next class to solve question answer of these chapters. Thank you.